She's coming. Close your eyes.
Will he expect something?
Yeah, he's expecting something.
I will get it later. I see my car.
Closing your eyes.
Yeah.
You ready? She's coming.
Don't pick Mama. And see.
He's bigger than you.
That's a huge panda. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Did you like it? Did you like it?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Whee!
Oh my gosh. It's so fluffy.
Lovely.
Did you like it, Kayla?
Yeah. I have a bigger lion.
I think your lion is a bit smaller than this panda.
Yes.
Fluffy.
Ah.